Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the skin1004 Retinol 0.2 Boosting Shot Ampoule. This product retails for $24. This is the second serum from skin1004's Labs in Nature collection. Very excited to see a Retinal serum from skin1004. I do notice with this product, and I'm commenting on this because it is Retinol, that it comes in non-airtight packaging, meaning that it is exposed to the air. With actives is when I don't like that as much. I've since become educated on using actives like vitamin C and retinol with this style of packaging, and it's not my favorite. I wish they would have went for airtight packaging with this, but still, retinol I haven't had many issues with, but I do know it can destabilize the active over time. So that's just something I want to mention going into this. I'm not sure how it will affect my personal experience with the product, if it even will. That is something I've seen some dermatologists and skincare experts talking about. This is, though, on paper a really good complex, combining their centella that they're known for with retinol, and amazing ingredients. Love that they didn't just stop at a retinol with this serum. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Highlighted ingredients include retinol, Squalane, Madagascar centella, and panthenol. Great hydrating ingredients, great treatment ingredients that I feel like will mesh really well together. And they've also described a delivery system. You can click the link in the description, goes to their website to learn more about that. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include: how does this product feel on the skin? Does it cause any sensitivity? What do I notice with my skin? I'm not going to be looking for long-term results. This is more of just a first impression review. But if I do like this product, I will keep you posted through short form content. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this retinol ampoule. This is a very moisturizing formula. Super nice delivery system as well. I don't love that this is not in airtight packaging. That's one complaint. I just usually prefer to go for airtight packaging. Vitamin C and retinoids, I just am very particular about. That's something I've recently become aware of. However, this combines a really nice formula, and I feel like the centella in this is really helping create a moisturizing retinol experience, which is rare. To be this moisturizing and contain retinol, it's a really nice complex, and I feel like it's been delivering some great, not only hydration benefits, but also my skin has been feeling better. I'm not really struggling much with hyperpigmentation, and retinol is one of those ingredients that I like to take my time with. I know I'm not going to see crazy benefits with it, but I do want to compare this to some of my other favorite serums, and so far I'm liking this. I feel like it is a more moisturizing retinol delivery, and it's pretty budget friendly as well. I have been using this all over my face. It's just a really nice non-drying treatment. I feel like I could use this every day. I personally use it every other day because I wanted to build up and just see. It's a little bit more of a complex than I'm used to using, but considering how gentle it's been, it's not something I don't feel like you couldn't start using it every day, but just go off your skin tolerance, really. Turn red at first because I have reactive skin. It's not causing any stinging, any sensitivity, anything weird with my skin. It's been working really nice, and you can see there it gives a nice moisturizing delivery, but it's not suffocating. Definitely an ampoule I could see any skin type using, depending on your preference. I'm really enjoying it so far. I'm going to continue using it, seeing if I notice any benefits, and also just continuing to compare it to some of my other favorite retinol and retinol serums. So I'll see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I really enjoyed this gentle retinol serum. I used it for a little bit longer than I usually conduct my reviews. I used it for about a month. This product did show very subtle benefits, and comparing it to some of my other favorite retinaldehyde and retinol serums, I feel like it lines up really well with some of the results that I've seen with this one and say the Geek and Gorgeous or the Naturium. This definitely is a very moisturizing formula, and it has a great delivery system to the skin. I can't wait to continue using it and seeing seeing what other benefits I notice with it. At the moment, I feel like it is a fairly gentle, complex serum. I like that they combined not only retinol with retinal, but they also have soothing and hydrating ingredients in here as well to make a formula that could be more drying because it is more of a complex. I feel like they really took that into consideration and they made it a very moisturizing, sensitive skin friendly product. I feel like that it is a little bit more complex of an approach, but it would still be a good beginner product because it is so gentle, and the complex they used in here is really beneficial if you're wanting a more gentle option, but yet still wanting some potent actives in here. I saw very, very subtle benefits with a few dark spots that I was struggling with during this trial. It wasn't anything terribly notable because those do take longer to show results. I do see some promising benefits though that I feel like will get better the more that I use it, and it was gentle enough in my opinion to use every day coming from a more experienced active user. I would start slower with this product, go off of your skin tolerance. If you do experience sensitivity with this product, you can ease off of it, or you can start slower with this product, which is what I would recommend if you are newer to getting into actives. One thing that I don't like about this is the fact that they don't use airtight packaging with this. That's one of my only complaints with this product. I hear it a lot with vitamin C, but with retinoids too, I feel like it is good to have airtight packaging. That's one of my only complaints with it. I personally didn't experience any issue with that or any destabilization or anything wrong with that in this formula. I did only use it for a month though. I would still recommend using it up as soon as possible. I mean, obviously use it as your skin tolerates, but I definitely wouldn't mass buy this product or wait to use it. I would still remain consistent with it if you do purchase it and you're able to use it. It's just a conversation I want to bring up. Not the biggest fan of this packaging, but especially in a retinoid formula, I feel like it is better to have airtight packaging. This is a really budget friendly and more affordable price point for a complex serum like this, and so that's why I really enjoyed it and have to pat Skin1004 on the back for this formula because I feel like it was very gentle. I experienced no sensitivity, no purging, no anything weird with this product. It also helped some of my texture and some benefits with not only brightening the skin. I also cannot testify for anti-aging benefits, but I feel like this would be a beautiful, more moisturizing formula for those style of benefits. Even though I can't speak to those, I know that the retinoids in this formula, along with some of the hydrating ingredients, have been proven to work really well with anti-aging, and so I feel like this could be a more gentle formula. I really enjoyed this product. I can see myself repurchasing it because it is so budget friendly. Definitely more of a gentle concentration. You can build up and use more intense actives like the Geek and Gorgeous or Light Naturium if you feel that you need it, but I like this as more of a complex soothing and treatment formula from Skin1004, and I would 100% recommend trying it, at least from the results I've seen so far. I will keep you posted with this product through short form content. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.